Next one, very, very easy. Very, very easy block. We will finish in 5 minutes. Okay, which are the following software testing? Now we are entering into software engineering. 10 questions we will discuss now, right? Which are the following software testing techniques does not fall under black box testing? You know that black box testing is also called as a functional testing, where we are not going to discuss about code. We are not going to discuss about code, right? Right. So straight transition is there, decision table is there, equivalence class partitioning is there, but path coverage is not there. So does not black box means white box. Path coverage is a white box testing technique. Right? Right? Medium. Right? Moving forward, the next one. The design concept, which is an extension of the entire term நம்ம classல பார்த்தது, which is an extension of information hiding and is defined as the strength among elements in a module. Strength among elements in a module. Yes, listen carefully. Extension of information hiding. Classல சொன்ன அதே வார்த்தை cohesion. இதே வார்த்தையை நம்ம classல discuss பண்ணிருக்கோம். Extension of cohesion is a extension of information hiding concept na solliru, right? Right, because we are performing abstraction over here. Shall we proceed forward now? Next one. Which are the following fact finding techniques allows respondents to answer in their own words? Right? So now this scenario also we have discussed. There are two people. One is a respondent, another one is an interviewer who will be asking questions for their project. So if they are performing with respect to unstructured interview, then we can use their own words. That is possible. Why? Because brainstorming அப்படினா என்னன்னா, there will not be one person, there are group of person, and you will be asking one question and they have one boundary to answer. Brainstorming is having a boundary. Document review, the term itself tells it is a formulated process. In the procedure நீங்க follow பண்ணியே ஆகணும். Observations is also something like you are going to submit a record sort of thing, right? Record. So you have to use this. So for that it is very formal. Yes, very good, ma. So what is the thing that we can do is just you take him to the tea shop and just talking with him and asking about some ideas, what he want, what he doesn't want, like that. Then it is called an unstructured interview. Okay, where he will tell the in own words. That is the idea, right? So I take you to the next one. I really like this question, but many people will get confused between three options. Definitely Scrum will not be the option. Okay, but among these three you all will get confused. Question order nalla padinga. A risk sensitive software is to be developed with high level of uncertainty in requirements, with concurrency in design and development. Which process model from the following is most suitable? Right? Agile also uncertainty with requirement, RAD also uncertainty with requirement, but one important term that confirms you to conclude fantastic is question ஆழமா படிச்சிருந்தா ஒரே ஒரு விஷயத்துல முடிஞ்சிருச்சு. ரிஸ்க்னா யார் வருவா? ஸ்பைரல் வருவா சார். Yes, the moment you take the term risk, who will come into the picture? Spiral will come into the picture. That's all. Clear now? Clear? Nice one. The next one. Which of the following is not a direct measure of a software development process? Direct measure. Test coverage. How many test cases you are going to give? That is one thing. Memory size that is going to be consumed. That is one thing. Lines of codes you are measuring in KLOC. That is one thing. Maintainability. Can you measure a maintainability? Is there any scale to measure? Is there any scale to measure maintainability? No, no, no. Then maintainability is that. Maintainability is that. If you clearly observe one more extra point here, maintainability is coming under non-functional requirements. Say yes or no? Say yes or no? So what is the conclusion? Is all non-functional requirement cannot be measured here. Cannot be measured. Ada measure panna mudiyadu. Ada measure panna mudiyadu. That's all. Very simple. Very simple. Clear, no? Clear? Shall I take you forward? Shall I take you forward now? The purpose of having a security component in a software is an example of okay, A. Okay. Okay, option B and C will not come because risk transfer is not a correct answer. Security component is not used for measurement. Mitigation means measurement. So we are not going to measure. Okay, we are not going to measure with the security component. So this is not correct. I'm sorry. I will choose some other color. This is not correct and this is not correct. But there is a confusion between risk control and risk avoidance. That is a very nice terms. Right? Right? Risk control. Risk control. That means security breach is everyday possible. Is possible. Whatever you are developing, some other person will come and definitely crash it. Say yes or no? Say yes or no? Security breach is definitely possible. Whatever security feature we are having, some other person will come and breach it, and then we have to go there and do there. Like lot of things are there, right? That means risk avoidance means there is 0%. Risk control means there is some X%, right? With respect to the inclusion of security component. Now tell me, with respect to inclusion of security component, okay, which is the best one? By including security component, can you go for 0% or X%? Now tell me, those who gave some biased answer, now try to give the answer for this. By including a security component, can you go for 0% or X%? Definitely X%, right? Definitely X%, right? Definitely X%. So the answer is ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் என்ன சொல்லலாம்? யாராவது ஒருத்தங்களுக்கு சுகர் இருக்குன்னு வைங்க. Okay, some people, let us think, some people is having sugar. Okay, அவங்க என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க? நான் காஃபிக்கு என்ன பண்றது இல்ல, நான் சுகர் போடுறேன்னு சொல்லுவாங்களா போடலன்னு சொல்ல? சுகர் இருக்கு ஒருத்தவங்களுக்கு, some X%. காஃபிக்கு சுகர் நான் போடுறது இல்லைன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. சரி சார், no, I am avoiding. No sugar. சுகர் போடுறது இல்லை, காஃபிக்கு சுகர் போடுறேன். நான் வெளில கடையில போய் ஜூஸ் குடிச்சாலும், ஓகே, ஃப்ரெஷ் ஜூஸ் குடிச்சாலும் சுகர் ஆட் பண்ணாதீங்கன்னு சொல்றேன், ரைட்? அவங்கள்ட்ட ஜென்ரலா கேட்டீங்கன்னா, அப்ப பொதுவாவே நீங்க என்ன சார் பண்றீங்க அப்படின்னா, அவங்க என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க தெரியுமா? நான் சுகர் அவாய்ட் பண்றேன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. சே சார், நோ, தே வில் நாட் சே கண்ட்ரோல். ஐ எம் அவாய்டிங் சுகர் நவடேஸ். நான் வரேன், ஐ வில் கம் டு த பாயிண்ட். நீங்க கன்க்ளூஷனுக்கு போறீங்க, நான் நடுவில் டிராவல் ஆயிட்டேன். ஐ மீன் ப்ராசஸ். They will tell that நான் சுகர் அவாய்ட் பண்ணிட்டேன். அப்ப எங்கெல்லாம் சுகர் சாப்பிட்றதுக்கான பாசிபிலிட்டி இருக்கும், காஃபில, ஃப்ரெஷ் ஜூஸ்ல, அவங்க அவாய்ட் பண்றாங்க. பட் வாட் அண்ட் ஆல் திங்ஸ் தே ஆர் கன்சியூம். திங்க் அபவுட், ஒரு கூட்டு சாப்பிட்றாங்க, அதுல கொஞ்சோண்டு அவங்க தேங்காய் ஆட் பண்ணிருக்காங்க, அதுல சுகர் இருக்குமா இருக்காதா? அவங்க ரைஸ் சாப்பிட்றாங்க, இட் இஸ் நத்திங் பட் அ கார்போஹைட்ரேட், அதுல சுகர் இருக்குமா இருக்காதா? இருக்குல்ல. அப்ப அவங்க என்ன சொல்லணும்? அவங்க என்ன வார்த்தை சொல்லணும்? உங்களுக்கு சுகர் இருக்கு, நான் சுகர் அவாய்ட் பண்ணணும். ஐ எம் கண்ட்ரோலிங் த சுகர் by taking necessary steps, right? So this security component is like using coffee, no sugar sir. You want fresh juice, no sugar sir. This is the idea of security component. Pootu, no sugar, sir. Sadam, no sugar, sir. Whether that will be enabled with respect to security component. Just imagine analog in the whether that is possible. That is not practically possible, right? Can you all able to understand the story clearly now? So only risk control is possible. Risk avoidance is not at all possible. If you want to avoid, நீங்க என்ன பண்ணணும், அந்த அப்ளிகேஷனை you should not use any application. Button phone தான் வச்சுக்கணும். Okay, call attend பண்ணனும், text பண்ணனும், அவ்வளவுதான். அந்த லெவல்ல இருந்தா that is possible. That is called risk avoidance properly. Clear now? Fine. Shall I take it to the next one? This one. What about the answer for this? Key attributes of software quality. Very good. Very good. A is the answer. A is the answer. ஏன் சொல்றேன்னா quality is a functional or non-functional. இந்த பாயிண்ட்ல பாருங்க, functional or non-functional. Quality is a functional or non-functional. Quality. It's a non-functional requirement, right? Obviously, it is a non-functional requirement. Whenever you are having a non-functional requirement, பேரை பார்த்தவனே கட் பண்ணுங்க. Though functionality, can you have functionality now? This will not come. Clear? This will not come. அங்க பாருங்க, usability is nothing but other name of functionality na. What is usability? Functionality, usability, more or less same. Just cut it out. Then reliability and performance will be the answer. Clear or not? Clear now? It should be not clear, it should be crystal clear. Elimination process learn பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கீங்க, right? Moving forward. Next one, a very very beautiful question. அப்படியே பார்த்த டேர்ம், கிளாஸ்ல டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ண டேர்ம், உங்க நோட்ஸ்ல இருக்கிற டேர்ம், அவ்வளவுதான். Just give me the answer now. Cyclomatic complexity na என்ன? Cyclomatic complexity. Source code is 9. Just say giving number. Which of the following is indicated? 9 linearly dependent, not it is linearly dependent. Test cases, not it is test cases. Linearly independent. That is the correct answer. Linearly independent. Cyclomatic complexity is a measure of linearly independent path. Say some. Clear no? Fantastic. Almost everyone gave the correct answer. I'm really happy now. Moving forward. Listen carefully now. Very very nice question. Fundamental goal of software testing activity. Okay, you have to reduce test cases. அப்போ நான் ஒரு விஷயம் சொல்லியிருப்பேன் பாருங்க, கிளாஸ்ல சொல்லியிருப்பேன். What is a good test case? A good test case is one that finds or detects maximum error. Discuss பண்ணோமா இல்லையா? That detects maximum error. A good test case is one that detects maximum error. சொன்னோமா? அப்ப ஒரு டெஸ்ட் கேஸ்லயே உங்களால அதிகமான எரரை கண்டுபிடிக்க முடியறதுதான் குட் டெஸ்ட் கேஸ்னா, டெஸ்ட் கேஸ் எப்படி இருக்கணும்? கம்மியா இருக்கணும். எரரை எவ்வளவு கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்? அதிகமா கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். கிளியர் ஆர் நாட்? டெஸ்ட் கேஸ் எப்படி இருக்கணும்? கம்மியா இருக்கணும். எரர் எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்? அதிகமா கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். So to maximize error detection and minimize test cases. That is the correct answer. ஒரு क्वेश्चन பேப்பர் இருக்கு சாஃப்ட்வேர் இன்ஜினியரிங் ரிலேட்டடா அப்படின்னா கண்டிப்பா இந்த क्वेश्चन இருக்கும். ஆன்சரை போட்டு விடு. The following testing techniques ensure correctly after modifications during maintenance வந்துட்டாலே யார் வருவாங்கன்னா regression will come into the picture. So regression testing is a testing that takes place after maintenance. Okay, ஒரு ப்ராடக்ட் பர்ச்சேஸ் பண்றீங்க, சே ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் ஒரு வாஷிங் மெஷின் பர்ச்சேஸ் பண்றீங்க, அது ஒரு 14 இயர்ஸ் ஒர்க் ஆயிட்டு அதுக்கப்புறமா there is a problem in that. நீங்க ஒரு